Hi, kids. How are you today? I woke up this morning in a mood to draw, so I decided to draw Minette. I was able to get a picture of her. Look! I like to draw a big circle for the head, with a little bit of fur here and there. And then I draw two big ears up top, always pointy because her ears are always pointy. And next is the nose, and that's the easiest part because it's just a little tiny heart. And now the eyes, a little dot, and then two big circles, and then a big smile. Now we'll start with the body, which is, we'll do the legs. So one paw, and then the next paw, and then one more paw here, and then we'll draw a big wavy tail, because her tail's always waggling, so. And don't forget the whiskers, and a little heart right here. And then we'll color her pink. For this drawing, I used a pencil and crayons. Look, I drew Minette. She's so cute. I can't wait to show my drawing to everyone. Did you draw her too, at the same time as me? Go show your drawings to everyone too. See you next time. Bye now.